So hello friends, today we are going to see how to create a WordPress course website for absolutely free. We are going to see these steps in three parts. In first step we are going to see how to create any course web page or website. Then in the second stage or second part we are going to see how to add different tabs in that website. And in the third step or third part we are going to see how to add a particular document or text or link to that uh, course website. So let us start with the first step, that how to create a course website. For that we need to log in into our WordPress account with our any of the Gmail or Yahoo ID, and I have already added or logged in with my departmental ID of Gmail. And then once you are logged into this WordPress website, you are going to see a page like this, okay, in which if you are clicking on this particular tab, which is switch site, you can see that various website or web pages I have already created, and now I would like to create a new page for project 1 course. So what I need to do is that I just need to add a new website by clicking on this tab. So it will open a new tab in a browser, and what it is telling to me is that my site will be called as, so I need to give a site name for a particular course. So I'm going to give the name as project 1 and the course code is 3350908 RCTI. So this is the name that I want for my course website. So I'm just going to continue, and what I need to make sure that this is free website is selected, otherwise they will ask you about the money. So just click on the first part and then continue. Okay, then we need to select any of the themes as per our requirement. So commonly I'm using this Bryce scheme, and then what we need to do is that just continue. Okay, we are not going into the detail of these all parts, so just skipping it for now. And now you need to select a free plan again. So in the free you just need to select it free. So it is building my site and applying the design. Okay, so now the home page for a particular website will get created by the WordPress, and in that you can now change whatever the content you require for your home page of the website. So your home is coming, so you can just write down that about whatever you would like to write. You can write over here about the project 1 course. This is what I'm writing just to give the introduction of my project 1 course. So now I am just keep entering, just click the enter, and then I'm writing this course is about project 1 as per GTU syllabus. Okay, this is you can write anything or whatever you want, and these all things will be there. If you want to remove those things, then what you can do is that you just click on one of the part, and such a tab will get open, and on these 3 dots, if you are seeing the options, then you can just remove those blocks. because we don't require those blocks. So what we are going to do is that we are just removing the unrequired blocks. Okay, those all blocks are there. You can keep it or you can better remove it. So I'm just removing all those blocks. Okay, so what you can do is that just remove the blocks, unwanted blocks, so your website looks neat and clean as per the content requirement. So I've just removed all the blocks, and what I need to do now is just launch. So I'm just launching that website. So again it will ask me what could be my domain name. So I need to select this project1 3350908rcti.wordpress.com. so I'm just selecting that. Then I'm confirming my plan, that is the free plan that I want, and then just launch the website. So once we are launching the website, it will ask us to whether to continue with the editing or back to home. So I'm just clicking back to home. So it will lead to me this particular tab, and in that tab I need to go through the appearance. Then inside that appearance I need to click the themes, so that for all the web course websites we need a similar kind of structure. So the structure that I have selected for all the course web is this one. This is straw. So I'm just clicking on that straw, and then I'm activating that design. So I'm activating the design and activate it now. Okay, so I'm activating it, the design, and once it gets completed, we can see what is the view of that website, project1 3350908rcti.wordpress.com. so this is how it looks. I think we have now created a particular web address or a URL for our project1. Okay, so thank you. This is the first part, and in the next part we will see how to add the different blocks. Thank you.